bonjour mes étudiantes, ça va? So students, today we are going to do lesson 6, Les loisirs de Nathalie. This is Enchanté 3. So third Enchanté, lesson number 6. Okay, so first of all, we are going to do the grammar part. Okay, let's do this, right? Okay, I'll just open Word file to make you think understand. Now, students, this is like we are going to do the expression today. That is the fair expression. Okay, expression fair. First of all, we are going to revise the verb fair. Remember the conjugation of fair? Let's do it together. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites. Students, this is the exception, okay? Il, elle, font. Okay, and this work we have already done in Enchanté 2 as well, in which I told you how to talk about weather. Okay, let's read one more time. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Now, students, here, what is the meaning of this verb is to do or to make. Okay, but it has many meanings. Like in Enchanté 2, we did that to talk about weather. Okay, today we are going to know it as an expression. With this verb, we use some words and it will become the expression. So you will understand how to talk about a particular activity, right? Let's do that. For example, students, we will do faire du jardinage. Okay, this is fixed. Now, this is the expression you have to use as it is. What is the meaning of Fartu Jardinage? Means gardening. Okay, so if I want to say I do gardening with my grandmother, grandfather, grandparents, whatever, then how to make sentence? Just conjugate this verb. Like if I want to use je, the conjugation will this. If I want to use tu, this, ill, this. Okay, let's take I want to say, okay, I do gardening with my grandfather. Let's make a sentence. Je fais du jardinage. Just use it same. Only conjugate this verb. Avec ma grand-mère. Okay? Je fais du jardinage avec ma grand-mère. Right? Now, let's take another example. We will take, for example, I want to say, do you ride a bike with your friends? So, riding a bike, this is also expression we use. Faire du vélo. Okay, that is to ride a bicycle. Let's say, like, if I want to ask you a question, do you ride a bike with your friends? Do you fais du, you fais du vélo avec tes amis? So, tes amis is friend. This is an intonation. Intonation question I told you. You fais du vélo avec tes amis? Answer will be yes or no. Right? See, faire du jardinage, faire du vélo. Similarly, we can use the next one. For example, okay, we can do faire du, okay, faire du bricolage. Okay, faire du bricolage. What it means? Bricolage means this expression means when you do DIY. Means like you are changing bulb or some electric wires are loose, you are fixing it. That is called DIY. That is called in French faire du bricolage. ओके, लाइक छोटे मोटे काम घर के जो आप खुद कर सकते हैं. सो आई से दे डू DIY or they do bricolage on like work on weekends. Il faut. See, conjugation will change. Il faut du bricolage le weekend. One more thing, students, do not use the student use okay on weekends they use dollar weekend, no, so it is just we use low weekend. So the complete sentence means they do DIY on weekends. Okay, so for weekend we use low, don't use dollar weekend, that is wrong, low weekend. Okay, right, so let's go to our book. Fat the spot. Okay, fat the spot. Fair has two meanings that we have done. Let's do this. So when you are doing aerobics, just say je fais de l'aérobie. Jogging, je fais du jogging. Jogging. Jardinage, je fais du jardinage. Swimming, je fais de la natation. If I want to say tu fais de la natation, you do swimming, tu fais de la natation. वो swimming करता है, il fait de la natation. Only the verb faire will change. Je fais de la gym, je fais de la randonnée. Okay, that is mountain hiking, randonnée. Page numéro 74. Okay, so that is. Next one is joue. That also we will learn this topic. Now, what is a joue? Okay, joue. This is also an expression, students. Okay, now what is the expression? That is, for example, you if you are using this verb with games, sports, then you will use a preposition. Remember, okay, a preposition. And if you are using it with a musical instrument, then students you will use the preposition. Just remember this and I'll let you know how to use it. Okay. For example, if I want to say I play football or I play soccer with my friends, what I will use? Jouer conjugation is simple. ER verb, you know that. Let's directly make sentence. Je joue au foot. So I play football. If you want to add avec mes amis, with my friends. Okay, let's see our preposition. So when the your game sports is masculine, you will use o foot. Femina, you will use ala. Plural, you will use o. Okay, this is and masculine, feminine, and plural. And if there is any vowel, you will use a L apostrophe. Okay, with due, the preposition due, masculine, the, la, femina, they, plural, and you want to use vowel that is the L apostrophe. Okay, I'll take all example. I'll give you all example. First is masculine because fourth is masculine. I have used masculine. Now the next example is nous, the verb conjugation. Nous jouons aux échecs. Aux échecs is students chess. So we play chess, right? We played chess. Nous jouons aux échecs. So chess is plural. That you have to learn. Okay, which games is plural, which game is masculine. Okay, so chess is plural, aux échecs. Okay, another example we can take. Let's take an example of musical instrument. She plays piano every day. Let's make sentence. Elle joue. So what I have told you, with musical instrument you will use preposition du. Piano is masculine, so masculine will come. Elle joue du piano tous les jours. Tous les tous les jours. So she plays piano tous les jours, all the day. Means every day, right? Similarly, we can take another example. My okay, I'll take example. My brother plays guitar. Okay, so mon frère joue guitar is femina. We will use de la guitar. Okay, if you want to say like in a group, so there is any band or something group, you can add on the information dans a group. Okay, de la guitare dans a, okay. Oh no, it will be un group because group is masculine. ठीक है ये en group. ठीक है, mon frère joue de la guitare dans a group. Okay. Let's make one more. Let's take plural. If I want to say, do you play video games in the evening? What will come? Vous jouez au jeu video. बच्चे au jeu video because jeu video game is a plural game. So vous jouez au jeu video le soir. Do you play video games in the evening? So here also never say dans le soir. Le soir means itself that in the evening. Okay, the student use the translations. Dans le soir. No, it is le soir, le matin. Okay, so this is the phrase. Vous jouez au jeu vidéo le soir. Okay, so remember this. These are very important. Though preposition are preposition. Let's see the book. What is given here? See, preposition with the sports and games. Jouer with musical instrument. We use the preposition. Already we did this. Je joue du piano. Okay, let's take it as je joue au cricket. Je joue aux échecs. Je joue au foot. Je joue au basket. Okay. Je joue de la guitare. Je joue aux jeux vidéo. Right? Easy. Let's do the vocabulary part. Après, chaque, dernière, faire du jardinage, la récré, le complexe sportif, les échecs, les loisirs, libre, parfois, pendant. Okay? So let's exercise. Let's do this exercise. Here, what we are going to do. Conjugate le verbe donner au présent. Students, present may you have to conjugate the verb. Pouvoir. So if you have watch my all videos, we have already done these conjugations. Pouvoir. Diwali. Pouvoir means could you, can you, means your potential, ability. So it is asking Diwali au marché Michel. So you go to the market, Michel. So it could be can you go to the market with Michel? Pouvoir conjugation with tu verb. It is peux-tu. So whenever you want to say, can you do this? Can you go to the market? Peux-tu aller au marché? Peux-tu aller au marché, Michel? Okay. Next one is les fruits, les et les légumes, no dash. Pala. So the fruits and vegetables are not here. We have to conjugate the verb être. See the students. Verb fruits and vegetables plural. Then it will be ne sont pas. Okay, être verb in plural. Ne sont pas là. Peux-tu les apporter pour moi? So can you bring them for me? Peux-tu les? Bache, this is les, but it is not an article. It is talking about fruit. सो अगर मैं हिंदी में बताऊं वो कह रहा है क्या आप ये मेरे लिए ले आओगे ये मेरे लिए सो ये कह रहा है ले इज ये ओके मीन्स कैन यू ब्रिंग दीज और इन सेंस दीज फॉर मी व्हाट आर ये ले फ्रूट एंड ले लेग्यूम सो दिस इज योर ये अपना नेक्स्ट क्लास में करोगे बट हियर ले इज नॉट आर्टिकल सो अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट बोत्यू लेज आपोर्टे पुरमा क्या आप ये मेरे लिए ले आएंगे d'accord so it will be apporte now see in one sentence when already one sentence is conjugated this is conjugated the second verb we never conjugate so it will remain same apporte this is the answer okay it will remain same next to nous dash notre anniversaire aujourd'hui. So we celebrate, fête. So our anniversary today. Nous fêtons. The conjugation is fêtons. F-E-T-O-N-S. Okay, E के ऊपर chapeau. Okay, next is we quelques amis d'autre part, quelques amis d'autre part, dash ce soir. So yes, some friends or like some friends of your father, we are ce soir means this evening they are coming. Vanir, now here can you see quelques amis? कौन आ रहा है? Some friends. Some friends are plural. The verb will be conjugated in plural. Bien. Ce soir et je dash préparer des plats délicieux. And I have to prepare. Devoir verb have to, that is doit. Je dois préparer. Again, see students, there are two verbs. First one is conjugated. Second verb we are not conjugating. Already infinitive is used. Remember this rule. So I have to prepare delicious dishes. Je, this is negative sentence. Avoir verb with avoir je n'ai. Je n'ai pas d'argent, maman. Mama, I don't have money. Où être l'argent? So, where is money? Où est? Because l'argent is singular, so we will use singular. Où est l'argent? Mate au pluriel. So, here it is talking about mon père fait de la natation tous les jours. So, we can say our fathers. Okay? No. No. That. Now, the conjugation will plural for. Next is copy. De la natation tous les jours. Est-ce que tu aimes? Est-ce que? What will be the this? Vous. Use est-ce que. Then tu ka plural vous. Conjugation vous aimez. Next copy. Faire du jardinage. Est-ce que tu veux? What will be this? Est-ce que vous voulez participer au concert? So, will like it is saying, est-ce que tu veux? So, you want to participate in the concert. Au concert. So, vous voulez. Je fais, what is the plural of je? Nous. Conjugation will be plural. Nous faisons. De la randonnée remains same. Avec remains same. Mon plural is mes. Zami plural is s. Okay. So we do hiking, mountain hiking, or randonnée with my friends, with our friends. That will be plural. Le cahier du garçon. Les cahiers des garçons. Plural. Des garçons et they feel sure. Sure will be same. Les tables. Okay. Répondez aux questions suivantes. We have to respond. This is again subjective, but I'll give you example. Est-ce que tu fais la cuisine? So do you cook? Right? You do kitchen work or you cook? I will say oui. Je fais la cuisine. I cook. This is also verb which conjugated with the fair verb. Qu'est-ce que vous faites ce weekend? So what do you do in the weekend? So we have already done lot of activities, है ना? Pair verb के साथ हमने और jouer के साथ we did lot of activities. So you can use anything. जैसे for example, I'm using je fais de la je fais de la natation. Ok, je fais de la natation et je regarde. So मैं फिल्म भी देखती हूँ. Je regarde les Je regarde les films. Okay, je regarde les films ce weekend. You can use this. Fais-tu le ménage? So, fais-tu le ménage? Do you do household work or any like work with your mom? Then we will say oui, je fais, je fais du ménage. You can tell as well. Je fais du ménage like for example क्या क्या करते हैं आप? Je lave les वेटमोंट, वेटमोंट मीन्स क्लोथ्स। सो मैं कपड़े धोती हूँ, je lave les vêtements and et j'aide ma mère, मैं अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प करती हूँ। j'aide ma mère dans la cuisine. Okay. À quel jeu préférez-vous jouer? So it is saying which game you prefer to play. You can say any game. Je préfère. It will come this side, this side. Je préfère. Second one will not conjugate. Je préfère jouer au foot, basket. You can write anything. Go for tes parents le dimanche. So what your parents do in the weekend or on Sunday. Okay, you can write again. You can write many activities. Mes parents vont. So मेरे पापा मम्मी देखो, इसका आंसर ये भी हो सकता है, एक्टिविटीज बोल दो जितनी भी फेयर के साथ बोली है, यू कैन डू लाइक दैट। बट यू कैन ऑल्सो से कि माई पेरेंट्स गो टू द लाइक माई विलेज टू मीट माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, है ना। यू कैन राइट दैट एज वेल। वो बट विच लेट्स डू mes parents font गार्डनिंग करते हैं, राइट, jardinage, right, for du jardinage. You can add on other activities as well. Write down le dimanche ou le weekend. So this answer can be big as well. I'm just giving you sample answers, right? If you are framing your answers, you can just chat with me or send on in the comment box. Okay. Methods of femina. Let's make feminine. Set feminine. Set. Atriz. Fait remains same. Fait beaucoup de gym. Set atriz. Fait beaucoup de gym. So VL means this old man. Let's make female. Set. Will. Femme. Femme va à l'hôpital avec une étrangère. Okay. Son cousin, it will be sa cousine. A remains same. Or female is une. Okay. This you can write complete. I'm just changing the gender. Musician, American. American. With I and E. Love the monsieur means Mr. Lavin ka beta. We can write the girl or the like daughter. La fille. So what will be the gender? Fils is son. This is daughter. La fille, the madame, monsieur ka madame. Lavin remains same. Pal remains same. R remains same. So will change into feminine set. Patit. ओके ऑम्फो, ऑम्फो इज सेम, चाहे वो मेल है चाहे वो फीमेल है, बट हियर आई हैव चेंज फीमेल ऑम्फो, petit enfant. Est-ce que votre père joue au ping-pong? Then est remains same, votre remains same. Père will be mère. Joue au ping-pong. Ping-pong is also a game. See, we are using joue with O because it's a game. Right? Let's this faire et jouer expression, students. Aujourd'hui, il fait froid. So today it is cold. Il fait froid. Okay, le soir, in the evening, I told you, whenever you want to say, don't say dans le soir. Le soir. Je dash supermarché. Supermarché में हम क्या करने जाते हैं supermarché में? Je fais les courses. Je fais les courses. Here, student, I would like to teach you one more thing. आपने सुना होगा faire du shopping. Okay, faire des courses, faire du shopping. What is the difference when you are shopping for everything? It includes clothes, or any, like if you go to the supermarket, you are buying clothes, utensils, anything. But faire the course you will use when you are doing only the grocery items, only the household things, like especially the grocery ones. Then say faire the course. Otherwise, faire the shopping like shoes, dresses, and all, that is faire the shopping. This is the main difference. Pendant la récré, pendant la récré during the recess, nous. So what we do, nous jouons au cricket. Nous jouons au cricket. OK? Nous jouons au cricket. Nous allons à la piscine. So piscine is your swimming pool. What you do there? Nous faisons de la natation. So we do swimming there. This is the expression we are using. J'aime le cricket. I like cricket. That's why je joue au cricket. Okay, pause les bonnes questions. Let's make the question with them. Je fais de l'aérobic. So I do aerobics. So what will be the question could be? Uh, qu'est-ce que tu fais? It could be right. Okay, je fais de l'aérobic. So it will be I do aerobics. So what kind of question I can ask? What do you do like physical activity or which activity you prefer to do? And now, so let's make one question that is que fais-tu? Que fais-tu means what do you do comme comme activité physique. This is one type of question. You can write what do you do in the evening. Je fais de l'aérobic, okay? Nous faisons du jogging. Okay, nous faisons de jogging means we do jogging. So that also you can use same. This is same action could be done, but here you can use vous. But I'll give you different question like quelle activité quelle activité faites-vous? Faites-vous? Quelle activité faites-vous? Ma mère joue de la guitare. So my mother plays guitar. You can write uh, que fait ta mère? Yeah, quel instrument de musique joue ta mère? Yes, that could be better. Quelle ma mère joue de la guitare, na? Quel instrument, okay? Quel instrument de musique joue ta mère? Okay. Even you can write, don't repeat your question here. We can write joue-t-elle means joue. The answer is here, student. See, je joue au cricket. So, yes, I play cricket. What would be the question? The question will be negative. You don't play cricket. It could be you no, tu ne joues, tu ne joues pas au cricket. Tu ne joues pas au cricket. Right? My answer is C. That's why the question is a negative. Corrigez les fautes. There are some errors. C, student, restaurant is masculine. You will use so. Restaurant à Paris est grand. Restaurant is masculine, so we will not use a. Je toujours. The position of toujours is after the verb, remember. Okay, and the verb is wrong. Okay, so students, it will be je fais, then toujours. And piano is masculine, it is vous. Vous conjugation is wrong, it will be vous jouez. Vous jouez. And with tennis au tennis à l'école. La fille américaine est calme et souriante because this is femina. Souriante should be femina. Let's do these verbs. We have to conjugate. Nous jouons au cricket. Aujourd'hui, vous faites de la natation tous les matins. So, we play cricket today. You do swimming every morning. Je joue au foot. I play football. C'est un bon exercice. It is a good exercise. Les danseuses font de l'aérobic. So the dancers do aerobics. Chaque soir, mon grand-père, every evening, my grandfather fait du jardinage. Do like gardening. Okay, student, this is your listening. Let's read this. France, je t'aime. France, I love you. La France est connue pour son industrie aérospatiale. Aérospatiale, you can understand. It is very, very famous industry in France. Surtout, especially pour les avions Airbus. Avion is your airplane. Which airplane? Airbus. Et le fusée Ariane. Next one is Lyon est une belle ville célèbre pour ses industries de la soie et la gastronomie. So Lyon is a very beautiful city which is celebre, popular for industry. Which industry, students? Silk industry and gastronomy. Gastronomy is related to your like food. Okay. Les écoles en France sont l'école maternelle, that is your kindergarten students, nursery school, pour les élèves that start from 3 years à saison. So whenever you want to say from 3 to 6, then you use the et à. L'école élémentaire, that is your primary school, pour les élèves de 6 à 11 ans. Le collège junior high school, pour les élèves de 11 à 15 ans. Le lycée high school, pour les étudiants de 15 à 18 ans. Okay? And this reading we will do in the reading part. And merci beaucoup, mes étudiants. I hope you understood like this chapter, very, very important for the sport, jouer au foot. If you find any problem, you are making sentences by yourself, please send me in the comment box. I would reply them. And merci beaucoup. Au revoir. And à bientôt.